Quiet on second. 2020, season 1, Salsa 3, week 4. Alright, so we started from here.
We did no, no, no.
No, no, no. 1, 2, and 3. 5. This is week 4. And 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 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 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 5. We connect early on the back when it's available, but we're not leaving anything. We're just connecting. 1, 2, 3. Here, I wait until she steps forward, and then on the 6th, when she's naturally turning this direction, I gently suggest this turn. She's going to get it. I stay connected here and start slowing her down, and then let her gently travel into her 1, and then bringing her back is very slow. 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So I just let the steps take the time that they need for her to come all the way back. Connect on the back, elbows lifted, palm into the back, not the fingers. Outside of her. 1, 2, 3. I'm straight in small steps on 5. I'm out of the lane on 6, but the body's still parallel. And then I turn her and stay parallel with our bodies on 7. So we keep her straight as long as we can. I asked for the hand a little earlier actually. So 1, I'm going to ask for the hand here. 5, 6, 7. Open, break. We're already going back. We don't need to push. 1, 2, switch the hands. 3 and 5. Turn 6, 7. Handshake position on both. 1, 2, in 3. Out on 5. 6 to the shoulder. Drop. 1, 2, 3. Now help her keep her elbow at the shoulder height and break it above the elbow here. And that's going to give you a clean transition without any issues. Super important. 6, 7. Handshake on both. Loop. 1, 2, 3, 5. You can turn over your right shoulder if you want. 6, 7. Bonus would be 5, 6, extra turn. You probably end after 1 on that, so just take the extra 8 count to get your time back. And then you go back to her.
Alright, so after this free spin, I have to remember, even when the lane is clear, that I step back on my 1. Right? Don't jump the gun and start going to the other side. This is 1, 2, and 3. You'll notice I actually close and then open. And then I'm already on my left, so 5 is usually my left. And I wait for the signal on 6 to move for the turn, and 7. You guys have to make sure that they clearly slow that down, because otherwise she's going to finish facing you. Right? 7. I cross in front on 1 because he's behind me and I can't see him. And then morning stretch, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you plug your shoulder into his hand when he reaches. 1, 2, 3. Don't let the shoulder come forward. And then he guides me in a straight line. 6, rotate 7. For a lot of my guys, we had a little bit of trouble here. But it's the open break, usually we're pushing and pulling to get her to do an action on 1, 2, 3. In this case, it's just part of the prep for the turn. So take it easy. 1, 2, 3, switch the hand. Right? It's just like a J prep. You know, you do nothing. You do very little tension there, just to get her ready for this turn. Here, this felt good. The only thing I had for a note here is my guys need to clearly lead with the right hand. Because look, we have both hands here, but you clearly need to lead with the right hand so I can feel the turn from here. And this is an accessory. This is really light. The left is light. 1, reach low so you don't touch anything you shouldn't touch. L shape, and then free spin to the other side. That's it.
Yeah.